Canva has proven to be a graphic design powerhouse and a staple for visual design professionals and casuals alike. With its constantly evolving and improving graphic design tools and interface, there are plenty of reasons to use Canva. A big one is the fact that because it's cloud-based, it's available cross-platform, meaning that you can keep and edit your designs on any laptop or mobile device so long as the same account is logged in. Its availability on mobile devices is great for people on the go who want to make visuals for a social media post, a story or reel, or any other visual design for their business. That's why in this video, we're going to walk you through how to use the Canva app on your mobile phone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and we are a digital marketing agency dedicated to helping small businesses grow. Before we get started, this is your reminder to subscribe to our channel and to hit that notification bell icon to get notified as we upload more of our business growing videos. Whether or not you're familiar with Canva's browser version, the mobile app for smartphones is pretty straightforward and easy to use. You have the same design tools, preset templates, stock images, videos, and audio elements, with the difference mainly being that the interface has been adjusted to be optimized for mobile portrait view. The Canva app is available for both Android and Apple devices. Once downloaded, be sure you're logging in with your existing account to access your designs on that account. If you just need to simply edit an existing graphic you've made before, you can access them through your mobile app here on your recent designs row. Let's say you want to design a new square Instagram post. If you want to start with a photo from your camera roll, you can tap on this camera icon here. If you want to start with a pre-designed template, you can type in Instagram on the search bar at the very top of your app and select Instagram post, and then you can select one of the available preset templates. If you, however, want to start with a blank slate, you can tap on the plus button on the bottom corner of your screen here and select Instagram Post. It'll open a blank canvas for you, but you'll still have a retractable drawer that will automatically hide itself when you have your canvas selected. If you want to have it back on your screen, just tap on the plus button here on the bottom left corner of your phone. If you want to add design elements like illustrations, text, stock photos, videos, and audio, as well as upload your own, they're also in this retractable drawer with the tabs at the bottom of the screen. Your editing tools will now be what's at the bottom of your screen. This is for when you want to change background or elements, colors, edit text or font type, format, spacing, add effects, animation, and other editing options. If you want to change an element's placement in your design, simply tap it and drag it to where you want it to go. If you want to change its arrangement, scroll through your edit options at your footer tools and select position and select forward or backward. I want it to go behind the text here, so I'm going to tap on backward. If you want to resize an object, tap it and drag on its corners and it'll evenly scale your object like so. Now, if you want to add another separate design to the same project file, simply tap on this blank space here and it'll hide all the tools at the bottom of your screen, and in its place you'll have a number at the bottom right of your phone showing you how many pages are in your current design file. It currently says 1 since we just have this one page at the moment. To add a new blank page, tap on it and select the plus button inside the square here. Once it's created a new page, you can double tap the new page to edit it or your first page to select which one to continue designing on. To go back to your editing tools, simply click on your canvas and they'll pop right back up at the bottom of the screen. If you want to replace your main image, simply select it and tap Replace on your tools, and you can select either a stock photo or video, or tap on the Images tab to upload something from your phone's photos. To save your graphic, tap on the Download button at the top right of your screen and select Download. Right now it's a still graphic, so you can download it as a JPEG or PNG file, but if you want to make it animated, you can select one of Canva's preset animations that you like best for your graphic, optionally add audio like so, and save it as an MP4 file.
Hello! We just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. After managing millions of dollars of ad spend for thousands of small businesses and creating thousands of social posts to help businesses connect with their customers, we know how to get results. And we want to help small businesses get results too. So we've decided to give away our knowledge, learning experiences, resources, tools, and feedback to help you achieve results for your digital marketing efforts. If you want to learn the blueprint for success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, get access to all the tools you'll need, and get live expert guidance from yours truly, stop what you're doing and sign up for our coaching program today.
Of course, using the browser version with a full screen and a separate keyboard and mouse for controls has its strong pros. But there are also some significant advantages to using the mobile app for your designs. For example, if you're making social media graphics like regular posts, ads, reels, and stories, you're viewing and making your design in the same screen dimension that it will most likely be viewed in once uploaded. After all, a whopping 80% of the internet's population use their mobile phones for browsing social media. This means you don't have to second guess if your text is big enough or if the colors you're using will look just as good viewed from a phone, because you're already viewing your design on an actual phone screen. You'll also have access to features you can use exclusively on the mobile app version, like replacing an image on a design with something you want to take a photo of on the spot, or using the color eyedrop tool, which is yet to be available on all browsers, but is available for all mobile devices via the app. Lastly, you have the convenience of portability. Now that you know how to navigate through Canva's mobile app version, what design are you planning to make first? Let us know down in the comments below. And that is it for today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential digital marketing guides. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and I'll see you in the next one.